Alright. Well, I don't do the intro thing very well.
Clearly, he's done it. It's such a dismal work. Welcome back. We're here to talk about the Tom Cruise stand. Basically, megastar. He's been around for as long as I've been around in terms of being a movie star. Yeah. And now we want to discuss high points, low points, and what we love about Tom Cruise. And maybe what we don't love. So, here we go. Tom Cruise.
What's the ones you hate?
Vanilla Sky.
Mission Impossible.
Why?
Vanilla
Why?
Sky. Nah.
Why?
Nah.
Why?
I was holding it in, Chris.
Why?
It was just like, oh my god, can't wait.
No.
Why?
So that's
Vanilla
number one.
Sky?
That's number one.
No.
Okay.
No.
Wait, do you have a
Valkyrie, number two.
Valkyrie.
Yeah, I do like that.
Oh shit, the way I did not watch
The
that.
Bryan Singer film.
Yeah, this is like my Bryan Singer hating period.
See?
Like, he did, well, he left X-Men 3.
Superman and then
I know which one that was. That was the first Superman film.
The weird thing about Valkyrie, it started off in German and it became English. Like
that was one of the main things that anyway, so that's another one. Well, the ones I do like is Taps. I like Taps. I don't know if you've seen Taps.
I haven't seen Taps.
Why do you do this?
What?
Like all these indie things that
you know
to
pick up.
Not indie. It's just like his early films.
What is
my favorite one
films?
is Vampire Chronicles.
When he first started.
Vampire Chronicles.
Interview with the Vampire.
Yes, Interview with the Vampire. Sorry, the
if you're gonna like the
no,
film,
no,
if you're gonna like the film,
really mistake
films. No. Vampire Chronicles was the name of the book series that Interview with the Vampire was based on. So I wasn't that wrong. I wasn't.
Okay, Interview with the Vampire. I agree with.
Yeah, I like that.
Cool.
That's one of my favorites.
What else? Mission Impossible was fun.
No.
First one.
I enjoyed
first, second one.
What I enjoyed.
You like the second one?
It was fun. I don't like the third one.
No. Second one was cool. Third one.
Yeah, third one started fun.
Why don't you like the fourth one? Jeremy Renner, Paula Patton.
It was Paula actually. Paula, Simon Pegg, like Mission Impossible used to be something that just opened up the movie landscape when the shit came out. You know, Tom Cruise is there, boom, it's in your face. And now with this one, it felt like, okay, Tom Cruise doesn't want to do this no more. How can we put someone else in his place? Passing off the torch.
Yeah, but the thing is, the original Mission Impossible series
I've seen it 3 times.
No, but the original Mission Impossible series was a team series.
Yeah.
It was a team series.
I'm not saying the movie was bad.
And then the first, if you remember with the first Mission Impossible one, like the whole team dies. And then he becomes like the main man.
Yeah.
And then the second one is like, we don't even have
it was a bit dark though. The first one was darker than
but this is what I'm saying, because after this number 4, is Tom Cruise still gonna be there?
He's still gonna be there. Mission Impossible 5, they're not doing about Mission Impossible 5. He's gonna be there.
What they did with Bourne and just put Jeremy Renner.
Yeah, Jeremy Renner, basically his character was supposed to actually take over from Tom Cruise. But Tom is like, I like this too much.
I like Jeremy Renner. I actually do. I enjoyed his performances on the films that he was hailed for, whatever. I enjoyed I enjoyed him in The Town. That was really good.
That's not hailed.
No, he was hailed for those roles. He was hailed for.
No,
what's that? Hurt Locker and The Town. But anyway, I enjoy him. But the Bourne thing he did was just really not good. And then the stuff in I don't think he can carry the Mission Impossible personally. I wouldn't have put him in this place.
See, here's the thing with Jeremy Renner. Like he's coming
Renner.
What, is he not German?
Renner.
Okay, whatever they say. He hasn't shown himself like a leading man. He's in that Jason Statham type of range.
But Jason Statham showed himself as a leading man.
No, as an action hero. Jason Statham, right, okay.
Jeremy Renner.
All of his, okay, before we lose sight of Tom Cruise, my point is...
let's get back to Tom Cruise.
Yeah, my point is with this film, right, coming back to this.
Okay, cool.
That if Tom leaves the series, like, it's gonna be extra sad because I feel like the films will die. If he's still involved in the next one, if there's a next one, that's fine for me. I'll go watch it. I'm just saying it feels like, you know, the dude wants to move on from this. My best Tom Cruise moments sometimes don't even come from his movies because I love The Color of Money.
The Color of Money is one of my favorite films.
That was to me, I was like, oh my god, he's an actor.
Yeah. But then again, you go back and it's Paul Newman and Martin Scorsese, so...
He's an actor.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Well, he's
and
Martin
then,
Scorsese,
you know, a couple years down the line, he has this whole... Whatever he had in Hollywood that changed our opinion on him, and then his character...
I never really listened to that stuff. I just never... For me, I watched this film, either I liked the film or I didn't.
Yeah, but what he did
I also tend to kind of stop
that. Is what I enjoyed.
What?
Tropic Thunder.
Oh, that was
Tropic
that was
Thunder.
very good.
Tropic Thunder was dope. Like I was sitting in the cinema, right? I was sitting in the cinema, and I knew Tom Cruise was in the movie, and I read the description about his character, right? So I knew he's gonna be playing some fat man. He's gonna be bald, and this is gonna be Tom Cruise. And I didn't see a photo of it, and I didn't want to spoil it for myself. So I'm sitting in the theater, and Les Grossman comes on the screen. And for a good 5 minutes, I'm just watching this and I'm laughing. I'm like, Les is so funny. And I'm like, wait a minute. Is that Tom Cruise? And I say, and I'm like, I say it loud in the theater. I'm like, that's Tom Cruise! And everybody's like, oh my word, it's Tom Cruise!
It was good though. It was. Yeah, what film did you like of his?
I said already I like Interview with the Vampire. Last Samurai, I like that.
Ooh, that was a good film. I enjoyed that. But I think I enjoyed that for the more like the story, like the Asian.
I like that.
I like that as well. But I mean, the sword fight sequences.
Yeah.
Ridiculously good. I enjoyed that. I really
enjoyed
enjoyed
the thing,
that.
Like it was. I felt like it was an honest choice for him. Like he knew it was something he had to do.
Again, the short torso bugged me big time.
So
Last Samurai, that's cool. We got that. Or what's
the only thing I want to see Tom Cruise do now, it's really like my personal passion thing, but he needs to start working with certain people that
like
he should have been working with 10 years ago. Like Will
Smith.
Yes.
Huh?
No, but I get that because like, you know, sometimes, you know, like the cool thing about Oceans was like the mega stars came in to do a movie together.
You see?
See, now you're
like,
dropping Oceans. Just go back to Tom Cruise conversation.
No, but I'm saying Tom Cruise needs to get needs to get like
he's
in the film
ensemble role with other stars, not just whoever. I like he did. Was it Rock of Ages? I think.
Like, you know what it has to be? It has to be Tom Cruise, Will Smith.
Did you watch? I haven't seen
and Angelina Jolie. That's a movie we
Or they should do the Smiths.
The Smiths.
Tom Cruise is Angelina's brother. And then Brad Pitt.
Oh damn! I like it so much.
And then him and Brad Pitt like fight all day.
I like it so
And then they try and kill one another. And Angelina's
I like it.
Cool. If there's any studios listening,
I like it so much.
well, just copyright that. If there's any
Yeah,
studios
let's
listening,
write that
let's
right.
create
At least you know Doug is willing to come back.
Doug is Doug Lyman did Mr.
You know what?
Smith,
No. What we need to do is to make sure we get compensated for this idea.
That's what I'm saying. Just copyright it. You can't use it, guys. Sorry.
Yeah.
Because
Universal? Sorry.
That's such a cool idea.
See?
You know.
See?
But when you get a studio involved, and they're probably going to want to make Jaden Smith their son.
What do you want to see Cruise do?
What do I want to see Cruise do? Like, I don't know, like, just put him in a drama now. Like, he's been doing quite a few action movies and sci-fi movies.
Does he really do dramas though?
That's what I want to just see him like do something so completely different to.
It's like
what
Nicolas Cage.
Actually, I hear what he's saying because it's nice when George did what was that one?
Like, wouldn't it
Good
be
Night and
cool?
Good Luck or Syriana.
No. We had the pants up here in front of him flops.
Oh, the Descendants.
The Descendants.
Yeah.
No,
That's it,
man,
yeah.
but that George Clooney is a different kind of actor. He's
No,
an
but I'm
actor.
saying,
you know, I
I like seeing George in those type of roles. Because
Yeah,
like
but I'm
George,
saying George
Imagine
doesn't have like
Tom
George.
Cruise in American Hustle.
No, I can't. But listen.
That's what I'm saying.
What I'm trying-
That's
what
why
I'm
you
saying.
need to imagine it.
No, but what I'm saying for me, I'm saying I can't see him in those. You know, some people like there's this thing. Speaking of George Clooney, you know, he speaks about Good Night and Good Luck.
Yeah.
The lead in that who played Walter Cronkite. I think it was. He was saying.
casting, he doesn't.
We were
look
saying
like
just
someone.
for him, like certain things actors can't escape from, and Tom Cruise is like Will Smith for me. He'll never be able to escape from Will Smith. It's like Jamie Foxx. I don't ever see anything but Jamie Foxx when Jamie Foxx is performing. Unfortunately.
You see, this is what I'm agreeing with Vic, where you need to see him in those roles. Like it's not.
It's interesting.
It's
Interesting
not something
thought.
that you might enjoy,
It would
but
be
you have to
interesting
see
thought,
him.
but
in
like,
the
what has he
role.
done
Like,
that's like that? Like, for me personally,
No, but I'm saying that's what we see from next. Like
you know what? The thing for me is like, I look. Obviously, I'll never say never, and obviously, it's not a said thing. But for me personally, like Tom Cruise, The Color of Money for me was a great performance, and it wasn't a Tom Cruise performance. It was a performance. Full
That's
stop.
like you were so young.
But that's what I'm saying. He was so young. Since then, he's become
Tom
Tom
Cruise.
Cruise, the megastar Tom Cruise.
That's why
And
he
I don't
needs
know
to
if he'll ever be able to do a small film.
That's
Like,
why.
you know what he should do? He should do what Nicolas Cage did.
Stop looking at
He should
it
do
as
a horrible, horrible
no,
film.
what he should do-
ruin his whole career, and then do like little independent.
Here's my thing with Tom.
Yeah.
It's not about him being suited for those roles. It's about him picking those roles. Like, this is what I want to
Yes.
try. He has the chops. He's been in the movie industry for how many years now? How many decades?
Yeah, for decades.
If you count the reincarnation, I don't know.
We want to see him do this because we know Tom Cruise is Tom Cruise, but it'd be nice to see him in a small picture where he doesn't need to
I would love
rely
to see it. I'm
on
saying I
studio's
just don't
money.
see it happening. All is lost. Tom Cruise should do the sequel to All is Lost, where Robert Redford's son gets lost at sea, and then he has to be on sea all day long. Don't even come near Robert Redford.
We
or
did
All
it.
is Lost.
You did.
Robert Redford is an amazing man. Leave him alone. But look, I don't see it happening with a small film with Tom Cruise anytime soon.
So
even Rock of Ages, Rock of Ages, they tried to make it off as like this performance-based film.
But Rock of Ages had a lot of
what's
things
like-
wrong.
I'm
There's a lot
backing.
of things wrong with.
I'm not saying it's not.
There's a
capable.
lot of things
I'm
wrong.
saying I
with
don't
Rock
see
of
it. I
Ages.
don't like from
Yeah.
that.
Tom Cruise was the best thing in Rock of Ages, but Rock of Ages, there was more things wrong with that film. It had nothing to do with Tom Cruise.
I don't know. I haven't seen it.
Tom Cruise performance, I seen it. Tom Cruise performance was awesome. Tom Cruise was awesome in Rock of Ages.
Like
everything else,
Edge of Tomorrow, also, or
his performance was awesome.
okay.
Because that's very different to anything that you see in Tom Cruise. That's what I want to see. I want to see
Yeah,
more
you could
of.
almost say it was organic.
Yeah, I want to see more of.
But the
Nothing Tom Cruise, and it's Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise should do True Detective.
Who?
You don't need to go ahead. You don't need to go ahead. Actually, now
And they're
I'm
looking for a
saying,
second
okay.
season. Jessica Chastain and Tom Cruise. Because that's what they're looking
Not
for. They're
Jessica
looking.
Chastain.
No, but they're looking
Yeah,
at Jessica
Mara.
Chastain.
I'm into Red Edge
yeah.
right now, so.
I want to see. You've seen House of Cards. You've seen House of Cards.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Right?
Yeah.
I say the next thing that we should see Tom Cruise do is be the running mate against Frank Underwood. House of Cards.
Good idea. He did play Lions
of the Lambs.
Lions for
Yeah.
Lambs. That was good.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah,
man.
okay.
I'm like Kevin Spacey. Oh, that we get that.
Yeah. shit.
Kevin Spacey, David Flinch, and Tom
Remy
Cruise.
and Remy. Because Remy's a cool dude.
Again with the Remy
Remy
stuff, I
is
really
a cool
don't-
dude.
Okay, let's just and we're not talking about Tom Cruise. Let's leave it
Yeah.
We're
alone.
talking, okay, but we're talking about Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise versus Frank Underwood. I think that would be awesome.
Oh, that's deep though.
That is deep.
I think that would be
Theater.
awesome.
I just said theater. Didn't I?
Thank you, that's all for us for this week. Thanks for watching. Click all the links. Click his face for his Twitter page. Click his face for really nothing, but just click his face because you like it.
Man.
Right? And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, guys. And we'll be back next week with a new video. Or sometime this week. Just come back to this channel. Come back, check it out.
Subscribe.
And
to the
subscribe.
I would like it by original,
Yes.
and as far as what Khalid said, I would also watch it again, but not for my own money.
So you would watch
you
it.
don't have that
Basically,
option.
no. Basically,
Four options.
No.
You gave
no.
No, listen.
Okay, we can make 5 options. If you're playing on television,
Yeah. Would I watch it again?
Yeah, you
I'd
would probably
watch it.
watch
it. Yeah,
If it was playing on television
you
and I was
watch
working, I would watch it while I'd be working.
Yeah, while you'll be working, so you're not really paying attention to it. So it's just like noise in the
background music.
background.
Yeah, background music.
Basically, I would also be the same. I just think probably just watch it on TV again.
Yeah.
The first one I'd probably like rent it, maybe buy it.
Have you
But
watched it
was
again?
cool. The first one, yeah.
No.
So you just defeated him.